Hello and welcome. Discover the ONGIFT 16-piece nonstick cookware set featuring thicker, forged aluminum for even heat distribution, ensuring your meals cook quickly and uniformly. The durable nonstick coating allows effortless food release and easy cleanup while using less oil to preserve flavors. Its elegant marble pattern exterior with golden handles adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. This versatile set works perfectly on induction, electric, ceramic, infrared, and gas stovetops. Included are 8 and 10-inch frying pans, multiple saucepans and stockpots with lids, a 10-inch square grill, utensils, pot protectors, and a stainless steel steamer. Designed for convenience, this cookware set is oven and dishwasher safe. Elevate your cooking experience with a set that combines style, functionality, and durability. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.